They told you that one of the best strategies to learn English is by shadowing, but how come it doesn't work for you? Why? This is one of the things I'll be explaining in this video. I know this feeling. Many students tell me, I tried shadowing, but it doesn't work for me. But here's the truth. Shadowing actually works. The problem is you're doing it the wrong way. Today, I will show you the best shadowing strategy for beginners. This is what most teachers won't tell you. Most people choose content that is too difficult. They find a TED Talk or a news video and try to shadow it. But the speaker talks too fast, they use vocabulary that is too advanced, and their sentences are too complex. So what happens? You get tired after 5 minutes. You feel like you're not learning anything, and you give up. This is the biggest mistake. You're starting at the wrong level. If you want to learn to swim, do you jump into the deep ocean? No, you start in shallow water. Shadowing is the same. You need to start with easy content that matches your level. Here's the strategy that actually works for beginners. I call it the 3-level system. Level 1, shadow with the transcript. You can see the words while you listen and repeat. This is the easiest level and perfect for beginners. Level 2, shadow without the transcript. You just listen and repeat. You don't see the words. Level 3, shadow and speak freely. You listen to a story, then you tell that story in your own words. Most beginners skip level 1 and jump straight to level 2 or 3. That's why they fail. You must start at level 1. Let me explain level 1 because this is where you should spend most of your time. Step 1. Find simple English content with a transcript. This could be a short story, a simple conversation, or a basic English lesson. Step 2. Listen to one sentence and read it at the same time. Don't shadow yet, just listen and read. Make sure you understand every word. Step 3. Now play that sentence again and shadow it. Say the words at the same time as the speaker. Look at the transcript if you need help. This is level 1 shadowing. It's slow, it's careful, but it builds your foundation. Practice level 1 for at least 2 weeks before moving to level 2. Don't rush. Now let me tell you a secret that most people don't know. Choose content that you already understand. Don't pick something new and difficult. Pick content where you know most of the words already. For example, if you watched a simple English video yesterday and you understood it, use that same video for shadowing today. This is what I call familiar content shadowing. You're not learning new information. You're practicing speaking with information you already know. This removes the pressure. You can focus on speaking, not on understanding. Where do you find good content for shadowing? Resource 1. Simple English videos on YouTube. Look for channels that speak slowly and clearly for English learners. Resource 2. English learning podcasts with transcripts. The key is to find content that is slow enough, has clear pronunciation, uses simple vocabulary, and has a transcript available. Start with just 10 minutes a day, that's all. 10 minutes of focused practice is better than 30 minutes of frustrated practice. Quality is more important than quantity. Do 10 minutes every day for 30 days. And stay at level 1 for at least 2 weeks. Build your confidence first. Here's what I want you to do right now. Step 1. Find one simple English video or audio with a transcript, just one. Step 2. Listen to the first 30 seconds and read the transcript. Make sure you understand everything. Step 3. Now play that 30 seconds 5 times while reading the transcript. Step 4. Do this for 10 minutes today. Step 5. Use the same content tomorrow. Master those 30 seconds, then add the next 30 seconds. Don't try to shadow a whole 10-minute video on day 1. Start with 30 seconds, master it, then add more. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your speaking, but you must do it correctly. Start easy, use a transcript, choose familiar content, practice 10 minutes daily, and stay at level 1 for 2 weeks. If you follow this strategy, shadowing will not feel difficult anymore. It will feel natural, and your speaking will improve faster than you imagine. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. I'll put recommended shadowing resources in the description. Keep practicing and speak English with confidence. See you in the next video.